Hello, this is the visual of the blog post that I posted on my blog. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Web API with ASP.NET Web Forms. So let's get started. So we'll create a new project, Visual Studio. We'll say new project. Select ASP.NET Web Application and install templates. Give it a name. Click OK. Make sure to select empty and then select Web Forms. Click OK. So a new project is created for us. In Solution Explorer, you can see the project. The solution contains one empty ASP.NET Web Forms project. So just right click and add new item and search for the Web API. Select the Web API controller class. Before adding, name it test controller and then click add. So this is the default controller class code that Visual Studio added for us. So I'll delete the default functionality because I'm planning to add my own. I'll add a simple method like string say hello, gold hello method, and I'll return from test controller. We should also add an attribute except verbs and get. What this is that this method is now available to the HTTP GET method. If we want it to be available to the post, we can add the post method over here, specify the post over here. So that is for the controller. Now we have to make some changes to the global.ax because we want this controller to be accessible, since this is not an ASPX page or something like that. So definitely we need to specify a route for that. So in the application start method, I have to write a rule so that it can access the method by some path, some URL path. So I will say route table should be using system.web.routing dot routes dot map http route. From map http route we must be using system.web.http map http route. Now I need to name this route as test API and specify a format of the URL that will access this web API / controller and action. So in our case, the controller would be test and the action would be say hello. Possible URL could be whatever dot slash web API slash test slash say hello. If we had another controller with another method, for example, then the route would be whatever slash web API slash another controller slash another action. Okay, so I guess that's enough for web API to test. We'll save it, go and run this application. So here we need to specify the URL that we have set up for this. So web API slash test slash say hello. There it is. So this is the returned string from our action in the test controller from say hello. So this is all for the first part of this video. In the next tutorial we will be seeing how we can use or how we can consume this controller or this web API in our applications like console application and Windows application, or for that matter web forms application, another web forms application.